Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin access and saving any open files. This prevents interruptions. Next, open Start, choose Settings, then System, and select Power and Battery. Once there, make sure to have any external monitor or dock connected so the system shows those profiles. You do this now because changes can apply per power state and per display, making them with hardware attached avoids repeated adjustments. When ready, move to the display and screen timeout options to control active behavior. Once in Power and Battery, expand Screen and Sleep to set exact timeouts for both battery and plugged-in. Choose No Limit if you need it always active. Then, click Additional Power Settings and change plan settings to access more granular options, such as lid close behavior and multimedia settings. Change Allow the computer to be active when sharing media. Also, check Display Screensaver and the Require Sign-in on Wake options. These interact with timeout settings and can lock or darken your screen unexpectedly. To finalize, enable Advanced Keep Awake behaviors. Use group policy or registry edits only if you understand them. These let you prevent sleep for services or scheduled tasks. You can run powercug/requests in a command prompt to see what currently keeps or blocks the system from idling, and powercug/energy to generate diagnostics. Make sure to apply changes and reboot so drivers and policies take effect. If things go wrong, reset to a default power plan or update display drivers. That usually resolves conflicts and restores expected screen behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.